Welcome back guys, and in Facebook, if you want to make our Facebook account professional one, then how will we do that? I am going to tell you in very short time, not wasting much of your time. If you are new to the channel, please do consider to subscribe this channel after watching this video if you like it. So just go to the Facebook. So Facebook, now here, tap on here. Now here see, profile is locked. Just tap on three dots. Here you will not see anything. Here you have to see that turn on professional mode. Here it is not coming. Why it is not coming, I am going to tell you. See, here your profile is locked. You have to first unlock it. Just tap on three dots, unlock profile, see your profile. Okay, no, not see your profile, go back, unlock it. Okay, unlock your profile. Now I have unlocked this. Okay, now just tap on three dots, see, turn on professional mode. It has come now. Just here, turn on. It is the benefit, get paid for your contact 1 minute. Turn on professional mode, success. Okay, so now professional mode has been activated, and now what will happen? See, here 4 following, 0 followers, upgrade your public detail, it is telling. So just promote button, see dashboard. Now I want to turn off it. Just turn off the professional mode. Here, continue, turn off. So this is how you can go into the professional mode and come out from the professional mode. This is what I wanted to tell you in this video. If you like the channel, please do subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.